Welcome back. As a part of this lecture, we'll understand how joins work. First and foremost thing is, for us to make the joins work, we need data frames. In case of Spark, we need data frames. In case of SQL, we need tables. So, for us to make the joins work, for us to experience how the joins work, we got to have data frames. In this case, we are trying to take a couple of data frames. One is we have person data frame which has 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, and we do have another data frame which is called as a graduate data frame, which also has around 4 columns: ID, degree, department, school. Now that we have data frame, what should be done next? What is the next important thing we need to have? You need to have a join expression. But what is a join expression, by the way? Join expression is the expression where you want to compare a one column of a one particular data frame with the another column of another data frame. It is a condition on which you are trying to compare one data frame with the another data frame. So, first you got to have a data frames. The second thing, you got to have a join expression. Then what next? The next important thing is you need to create a join. Whenever you are trying to join, you have two data frames. We already understood that. The data frame on the left side is called as a left data frame. The data frame on the right is called as the right data frame. Now that we have this join here, we are trying to join the person data frame with the graduate program data frame. You can see we are joining here. On what? On this join expression. Join expression is nothing but a person graduate program. So, you can see this particular column and graduate program ID, this particular column. We are trying to see a record in this data frame is matching with the record in the data frame graduate. So, as a part of the join process, what happens is, based on the expression what you have provided, records of the left data frame would be compared with the records of the right data frame. First record, see, this is the record 0, graduate program is 0. That will be compared with the ID of a graduate program data frame. So, 0 is matching with the 0. Okay. That is in a way passing the condition. Next, this particular record will be compared with this record, until we complete all the records in a data frame, the comparison will go on. Whichever the records which are passing this condition are brought together in a resultant data frame. So, just to iterate the process again, records in the left data frame would be compared with the records in the right data frame. Whichever the records which are passing the condition, they will be kept as a part of the resultant data frame, and whichever the records which are not matching this condition based on the column what we have given, they will be discarded. It is as simple as that. So, after we compare the left data frame, that is person with the right data frame, based on this join expression, by joining the left data frame with the right data frame, resultant data frame will have all the matching records from the left data frame and all the matching records from the right data frame. Isn't that simple? Wonderful. You have a very good time. Thank you.